Welcome to this video, previous tutor. In this video, I want us to find the length of a pendulum. So I assume that you have a thread. This is a thread, which ties the bob. Then later on, you fix that thread to a fixed support. Okay? Fixed what? Support. The question is, how do we find the length of this pendulum? All right? Basically, the pendulum is made up of the fixed support, the thread, and the bob. But the fixed support does not do anything apart from offering support to the string and the bob. So how do we find the length of the pendulum? So the length of the pendulum, okay, the length of the pendulum is actually given by the length of the string, plus the radius of the bob. Once you do that, and you're fine. So there's nothing much to do. All right. So once you identify the length of the string, in this case, it is 10 centimeters. Now, radius is half of diameter. You can see that the bob itself, all right, is 2 centimeters from there to there. That is the diameter. So radius is half of diameter. And in our case, our diameter is 2 centimeters. So over 2, we get our radius as 1 centimeter. So we're going to put 1 centimeter there. This will give us what? 11 centimeters as the length of the pendulum. Seriously, who fails such stuff? From now on, I don't want you to see you failing this stuff.